Hello, today is the 2nd of January 2016 and it's Markets Overview with Andrew Friend. So, world indices. Dow Jones Industrial Index, it's US index, which includes the biggest industrial companies and corporations. So I drew some support and resistance levels and the channel which serve us as landscapes in this chart, and what can we see in this chart? The price now is moving sideways between these two levels, as you can see, 17,115.8 and 17,140.3. So between these support and resistance levels, and just now the price plunged into the cloud. Overall trend is more lower, more bearish than bullish, and the price declines now, formed a bearish candle and declines in the cloud. The future cloud is crossed in bearish direction, and trend lines are crossed also on the bearish side and declines. So Tenkan-sen line also declines towards the cloud, and just now, so what should we wait till price reach one of these two levels? I think if it is support level, so we can wait, then the price breaks it down. If it reaches the upper border of the channel or resistance level, so we can wait then while price breaks them upward. But now I think the price stays in sideways movement. So the next index is Nasdaq index. What can we see here? As you can see in the chart, daily charts. Today we examine daily charts. There is the price is about maximum points, historical points of the chart, and the overall trend is upward, bullish, but the price declines now, and it came to the cloud. The future cloud is crossed in the bullish direction, and the price approached the cloud, and just now it starts to plunge into it, to go down. So the overall direction of the cloud is upward, but trend lines, Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen lines, are crossed downward. So there is the high probability of sideways movement, of horizontal movement. The Tenkan-sen line broke down the price and declines now. So price declines to the support level for 4,923 to this support level. So I think we should wait. I think we should wait till price touches one of this level, or I think the lower border of the channel, and if it starts to break it down, so we can consider the possibility of entering the market on the bearish side. So we can then find the point to sell. Next index is Standard & Poor's 500 index. So the picture here is similar to previous charts. Price is moving sideways and now declines within the cloud. It starts to break down the Tenkan-sen line and direct it to the lower border of the channel. Also, as you can see, the price breaks down this support level 2044, and if it breaks it down, so we can find the point to sell. I think stop loss is should be up on, I think, on upper point of the candle. The future cloud is crossed on the bearish side. Tenkan-sen line moves in horizontal direction under the Kijun-sen line. Also the Tenkan-sen line declines. So the next chart, next index, CAC 40 index, it's French index. What can we see here? The price broke down the level of 4,672.7 and keeps declining. And also it breaks down the lower border of the cloud, the line Senko-span B, and direct it to this support level 4,473.1. So this level is the goal. I think should be the goal in price moving profit goal if price reaches this level. The overall trend is bearish here, as you can see, and the Tenkan-sen line is moving under the price but within the cloud. That indicates, that implies that the price is in sideways movement now. Okay, the future cloud, by the way, future cloud is crossed downward. That indicates the bearish character of the market. Next index is DAX 30. What can we see here? Price broke up through this level, but it reverses and it returned under this level. So it came back to the cloud, and just now it consolidates on the upper border of the cloud. The overall trend is downward, as you can see. There is the descending direction of the channel, and the price consolidates along the level 10,794.8. So if the price continues to fall, then the closest profit goal is this level, or it can be also the lower border of the cloud. If price rises, so then the nearest profit goal can be the upper border of the channel. But price should overcome the cloud's shadow here, as you can see here. So I wait a little bit sideways movement, consolidation of the price, and then perhaps there can be declining. Okay. So you can see here the situation, and can also take your own decisions. Choose your strategy, what steps you should take. But I think that there can be declining because of overall bearish trend. Okay. Next index is IBEX index. It's a Spanish index. As we can see here, the price is declining under the cloud. The trend lines are crossed downward. Tenkan-sen is moving under the Kijun-sen line, and the price is directed to this nearest support level under the cloud, and the Chinko-span line is under the price and under the cloud. Also there is the overall declining trend, overall bearish trend. The channel also is on bearish side, and here just I think one should sell to choose to sell, to take decision to sell. Okay, and what else? So the future cloud is also on the bearish side, that indicates on bearish character of the market also. So the nearest profit goal is this support level here. Next index is BEL 20 index, Belgium index. So here we can see the price is over the cloud, but the overall trend is bearish, as you can see. The declining channel here in the market, and just price didn't reach this resistance level and reversed, now declines, but the price is over the cloud, and the trending lines are crossed upward, so we should wait a retracement, and then can find the points to buy, or if price just if price breaks this level, this support level, as you can see here, if price breaks this support level, so then we can find the point to sell. The closest profit goal is here, the lower border of the cloud, or this support level. If price rebounds and continues to rise, then the closest profit goal is upper border of the channel and this resistance level. Okay, next index is PSI 20. Here, what can we see here? The price is consolidating within the cloud. The future cloud is crossed on the bearish side. The overall trend is bearish, as you can see, this quite wide channel, broad channel, and price is consolidating within the cloud. So if the price continues to rise, the nearest profit goal is the upper border of the channel, and then this resistance level. Now the price is also broke up the level 5,300, and there is a little pullback to this level, and if price rebounds, so as I said, there are these profit goals. Next index is AEX 25. What can we see here? Here we can see also the bearish situation. The overall direction of the channel is bearish. The market has bearish character, and price reached the Kijun-sen line and then rebounds down, and now is declining to the lower border of the cloud. If price continues, here one should sell. I think there is quite a good situation to sell, and the nearest profit goal is this support level. Profit goal is this support level. So the Tenkan-sen line is within the cloud, and it can tell us about a little bit sideways movement. So price before declining, price can a little bit go in horizontal direction and then decline, I think. Okay, the overall trend is bearish. The future cloud is also on the bearish side. Next index is FTSE grade British index. The price here we can see that price broke up through this level and approached the upper border of the channel. Then it reversed down and slowed its moving near the upper border of the cloud. If the price rebounds up and continues its rising, I think the nearest profit goal, nearest point of take profit can be upper body of the channel, this upper body of this big channel, and then the and then this resistance level here. So price can go here, and then if it breaks this level, I think after short consolidation it also can go to this level. Or alternative scenario is when price keeps declining, breaks down the upper body of the cloud, and then breaks this level. So then the profit goal can be this support level. Okay, but now the overall trend is bearish, so I think that there is some difficulties with overcoming the upper body of the channel. So I think that it's not very easy for price to overcome the upper body of the channel. So I think we'll see what happens. Next so next index is Iceland all share index. It's we can see here the strong bullish situation. The index is near its historical maximum points, and the overall trend is bullish. So bullish situation, and price is above the cloud, and cloud also moves up, and price rises now, forms bullish candles, broke this level 1.310, and keeps rising. So the nearest resistance can be, I think, the upper body of the channel, of the uprising channel. Trending lines are crossed in the bullish direction, and also the Kijun-sen line is also over the price and rises. Next index is OMX Stockholm 30. It moves under the cloud. The price just we can see pullback here, small pullback, minor pullback to the lower body of the cloud. The future cloud is crossed on the bearish side. The Kijun-sen line is under the price. The Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen lines are crossed downwards. So we should wait here further bearish movement, and should find points to sell here. The overall trend also is descending, is bearish, as the descending channel indicates. Next index is Nikkei 225, Japanese index. What can we see here? So the overall trend is rising, is bullish, as we can see from the bullish direction of this channel. But price reversed over this level and plunged under it, and now it moves within the cloud. But the cloud has a bullish character, and so here's this. Here we can see the situation when price is, there is the possibility of sideways movement here. The nearest support is the lower border of this big channel, and the nearest resistance is this level. So I think that there is the consolidation of the price, and if it approaches to one of these levels, so then we can find the points to enter the market. Now the price is within the cloud, and it indicates that the decisions of market participants are indefinite, a little bit, just quite indefinite. So, but the overall trend in the market is bullish, as we can see here. But I repeat that the price is within the cloud. Tenkan-sen line is under the Kijun-sen line. The Tenkan-sen line is under the price, and it indicates the bearish character of the movement. So there is the major bullish movement, but current movement is a little bit bearish. So we should wait until the participants of the market determine with their decision on further direction. Okay, next index is OMX Oslo. OMX Oslo index. What can we see here? The picture is the picture of the market says us about the sideways movement, but the overall trend here is overall channel is quite is bearish. And the price, we can see here, the price reached, declined to this support level 532, but then it rebounds up and consolidates within the market between the Kijun-sen line and Tenkan-sen line. The nearest resistance level is upper border of the cloud. So I think there is quite indefinite situation, because the overall trend is bearish, and the price now rises a little. So the nearest resistance level is 571, as I can see, an upper border of this channel. If price overcomes this resistance, so then we can tell about rising character of the market, and the profit goal should be 603. So we should wait till price breaks this resistance level. So next index is OMX Helsinki 25. What can we see here? The price is over the cloud, but it is, as you can see, within the cloud's shadow. You see, this is cloud's shadow, and price is within this cloud's shadow. So also the price is under this resistance level 3.376. It knocked up this level, but it rebounds down and now now the price is consolidating under this level. So we should wait until the price defines its further movement or breaks up or goes out of the cloud shadow, or breaks down the lower border of the channel and goes down to this support level, I think. So we should wait until the consolidation ends.